All right, I got these. You can purchase these on Amazon. All right, if you look right in here, right here is the charging port. And it's kind of hard to get it in there, but you can do it and just shove it in like that. And then you can plug this into your block. So here we go. And I think when I do that, you're going to see a light on here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So you can see it shows red. So that means that this needs to charge up. I think when that turns green, we'll be fine. But yeah, that's how you do it. When it turns green, bam, that baby is charged. Now we can take it off of there. All right, so now I just have to pop it out. Boop. That's it. Bam. It's ready to go. Now, if you don't start it, it does have the lights on, but they will go off if you just let it sit there for a while, so it won't burn out the battery, which I think is a nice touch. Now we can plug the other one in if we want and charge it also, right? And so let me show you where that port is. So there's the port right there. You see it? So that's where we got to push that little pin in, and then we can, charge this bad boy up too. Now that green light should turn red when I put this in there. All right. So anyway, this one you can see it went off, right? If I move it, it comes back on, right? So I'll just leave it there for a second. Then you can see it go off. So let's go ahead. Let's find our port on this. There it is, right? You see it? It says charge. You guys see inside there? So all we have to do is get this in there and then smush it in. You follow me? And it takes a little bit of work, but you can do it. And then you push it, and you got to get it in there all the way. And when you do, you're going to see that light up. And then we can just leave it sit there until that turns green. And as you can see, it's red now, right? So we got the red one on there. And as soon as that turns green, this one will be charged up. Bam, done. And this one now we can put on the stand. So I find a spot here, and I want to make sure that I don't smush the propeller. So I got to go between the propeller, right? We're going to go this side here. The reason I'm doing this side is because I can get on the propeller. See how that does that? The top, this propellers, you can't put this thing through because they're more flat, but the bottom propellers are more straight. So that's going to work. And then we just set it down. Bam, Bob's your uncle. There you go.